The month of February brought two significant Italian artistic groups, award-winning Teatro delle Albe and the acclaimed musical duo the Mancuso brothers, to the Montclair State University campus as part of the Spring 2014 calendar of Inserra chair events. A play, Noise in the Waters, a theater workshop and a music workshop were an occasion for artistic enrichment and scholarly engagement for over 300 people, centered in the field of Italian studies and opening up to several other disciplines. Their visit on campus started with the theater workshop when Marco Martinelli and Ermanna Montanari, co-founders of the company Le Albe, worked with students of the Department of Theater as well as select high school students of Italian.
La concentrazione del corpo non è mettere a posto il corpo, ma è scompigliarlo.
Relying on the verses of Italian Renaissance poets Boiardo and Ariosto, the workshop moved from a section centered on the body, involving the entire group, driven by the explosive energy of Marco Martinelli, to a moment focused on breathing, led by Ermanna Montanari, addressing the individual actor in a more intimate search. It concluded with a festive finale, accompanied by Vinicio Capossella's song inspired by the Ballo di San Vito, a traditional Taranta dance. Winners of the Best Soundtrack Award at the 2013 Venice Film Festival, the Fratelli Mancuso presented a part conversation, part performance workshop entitled Sicilian Music Revisited to nearly 100 students and community members. Largely self-taught, after emigrating to the UK to work as sheet metal workers, the Mancusos sought out music making as a way to find solace and self-dignity and ultimately to always engage in a quest for truth.
Sì, siamo molto felici di questa esperienza, abbiamo avuto una grande accoglienza e ringraziamo tutti per la squisita ospitalità che va proprio nel segno di una istituzione così importante. L'università è il luogo dove circolano le idee, si diffonde il sapere e non potevamo trovare un luogo migliore qui in America.
During the workshop, the Mancusos sang some of the highlights of their repertoire, including sacred music and lullabies. Today they shared with us their experience. They have worked with students to teach them a Sicilian song called Nesci Nesci Maria, a love song.
We're in a building time in terms of the curriculum of music of the world, and their presence has allowed us to begin and to continue that discussion about what it means to study different kinds of musics, and not just the repertory of different kinds of musics, but the practice of that.
The centerpiece of the programming was Albe's wrenchingly powerful play concert Noise in the Waters, which addresses the perils of migration routes, a very topical issue in today's world. Based on the tragic stories of asylum seekers and economic migrants attempting to reach Europe from Northern Africa, the play offers a subtle denunciation of these stories through the perspective of a demonic general employed by the EU to bureaucratically number the dead.
They don't pay me much.
Powerfully delivered by Alessandro Renda through a hoarse voice, the play's monologue is enriched by the live singing of the musicians Enzo and Lorenzo Mancuso, who with their unparalleled voices seem to howl the pain of humanity from the depths of the sea. These visiting artists from Italy provided the Montclair State community with opportunities to learn and be challenged, and it will be impossible to forget the moving and beautiful work they have shared over 2 weeks on campus.
Che